Adding PDF bookmarks and hyperlinks are useful for readers to click on and quickly go to the document page or web pages they reference. Let's look at how to implement both of them in a document with Foxit PhantomPDF. First, open the document to the location where you want to add the first bookmark. Then, select the text that you want to bookmark. Typically, this text is some kind of header text to describe a section of content within a document. Then right-click the selected text and choose Bookmark. As you can see from the Bookmark panel, we now have a new bookmark. To nest a bookmark, start by adding an additional bookmark. Once again, right-click the selected text and choose Bookmark. Then select the child bookmark you want to nest in the Bookmark panel. Right-click on it and then select Cut. Then go to the parent bookmark, select it, right-click it, and then select Paste Under Selected Bookmark. Now our bookmark is nested. To remove the nest, follow the same procedure except select Paste After Selected Bookmark. Now our bookmarks are no longer nested. To create a table of contents from the bookmarks we just created, go to the Bookmark panel, then click the Add a Table of Contents button. Then a dialog will pop up asking you to select the bookmark levels that should be converted into the table of contents. Once you select them, click OK. Now go to the page 1 and check your new table of contents. If you want to change the table of contents appearance, go to the Edit tab and edit the page just like you would any other page. You can select the text you want to modify, change its font style, size, and color. You can even modify the text box or moving the text box itself to improve the layout. Another aspect that might help your document to look better is to use hyperlinks. This will help your readers to check other external sources while they are reading your document. Let's create a hyperlink by highlighting the text you want to add as a web link to change its appearance so people can identify it as a web link. For this example, I will underline Napa Valley and change its color to blue, and select the link button on the Edit tab. Choose Open a Web Link and click Next. Enter the URL for the destination web page and click OK. Click on the Hand button to test our hyperlink. Now that we have successfully inserted a hyperlink into your document, start improving your document's navigation by adding bookmarks and hyperlinks to your PDFs.